Greetings in the name of Yoruba. The God of Isheshe, and happy preparation, happy Sabbath. Yeah, I want to talk about the things that we all know that is the most important to us. By all means, even if we don't go around acknowledging it, which is life and death, okay? The spirituality of man. Okay, that's the first and last. Every other thing is just by the way. You're gonna be rich, you're gonna be poor, you'll be homeless, you have properties and things. Everything, what degree you're gonna have, you're gonna, married or not. Okay? But to be born and to die, that is the first and the last, the spirituality. Because that's God is a spirit, and where you're coming from, how those things came about, what happened is a spiritual thing. Okay, you become physical, but it's a spiritual thing. Okay, and serving God, and who does that? Is just because we know that God is a spirit. So that's what I say. The spirituality of man is the first and last. Now I want to make something that we look like it's speaking more to the Yorubas, because why? We're going through a thing now that is very, very, very crucial, very, very serious. We're going through a rebirth of our nation. We're going through fire. It's like when you get gold, to make it a pure gold, that ones that the people can buy and put on their necks. You just take it raw and then hang it around. You do it like a mess. It's got to go through some processes. Go through a process, through fire. Okay, and this fire now is concerning faith. Igbagbo, what we believe in. There are stories everywhere, man. But one thing I like to know, the story is good and true to the storyteller. But in that, let God be true. Let Oyowa be true, and all man a liar. What Oyowa has written and done, no man can change. What the experiences he made his people go through, no man can rewrite anything about it. When the children will get there, they will understand, and that's why we're here. Stories are everywhere. Obaoluwo, the king of Iwo, Obaoluwo is saying stories about Oduduwa. Many of those things are true. But the construction and where it happened and some few things, maybe those ones, maybe they are true to him because he's saying it, believing them. But why would God want everything documented? Now, if you want to buy a house of Olu, or you want to own a property, we just, a property that you know that it will last, not sugar or not biscuit, or not that you want to smoke igbo or you want to roll your, not those quick ones. Even that one, you get a receipt to prove that you buy that thing, and you say, because if they stop you at the door, you'll be able to say, I just bought it, it's mine. Then maybe you throw it away later. So where the proves that you really are saying the truth, you don't have no proof that will follow, that will back up that thing. But we have a proof in Sharia. Maybe the names are different, but the suffering and what's good those people are going through is the same as what we went through, and there are traces, and the point of reference is Atoto Okoto Wanedi Kabesi. Kabesi Omopedako. And all the men in Yoruba land, in Yoruba land, they are all circumcised. And likewise all black people. Okay? Every one of us. 99.9 Yoruba land. Even 100%, I can guarantee, because who are you not to miss that? To miss that your son, he's not even done it on the 7th day. God. Who are you? In that, none of these your religions can say they gave it to the Yorubas. Isheshe means, to me, Isheshe. Why? Because when you go back, it said Babylon. What is the meaning of Babylon? Confusion. What is confusion? When you make a mistake, when you confused, when you thought it was right but it was wrong. And then more, Islam, the father of the people who gave you that, you know what the Most High is saying about him in the book? That his end will be on all men, and all men's end will be on him. Talking about Isheshe, Imo, Ola, Elu, Ishmael, the son of Orunmila. So where are we going here, King? This is not the time for Joko. The mark of the beast is around. They want you, when they will take that land, if they send you an error, don't think they will spare you. The people will send all of you. And if it's not human people, the devil will not spare you. You will follow him. And he won't give you a room, and you'll be, he's beating. There's a judgment. There is a record for all this thing. We have a backward. It's the Torah. Is our record. That's what we're telling you. Look into it now. Oduduwa was a king. David was a warrior. Yes. Yes, that's him. Odu Edaiwa did that thing. He didn't meet Orunmila. Orunmila was past long time. Orunmila is Abraham. He's a Muslim, not they call him the but they say they're making sacrifice. The best of the festival of Islam is coming from sacrifice. When you was stop Orunmila not to sacrifice or agbo any day ogun. This is what we should tell our people. Everything we have to do is in there. We have an enemy. And when it wasn't for our tribe, it just reigned over us. And the Lord loves us so much. That's why he chooses, because we are so weak, we are so loving to people. And he see that maybe problem and say, oh, these people is the people I choose. He gave us the oracle, which is Ifaud. But he didn't say we should be consulting it too. He said, thou shalt not worship idols. What are you going to do in Kaaba? For what? As Saudi Arabia, do they believe the story of Noah? Is the Saudi upholding the story of Noah? Please, I would like an answer on that. The Saudi family and the Muslim on his own, is he upholding the story of Noah? Is it true? Did they believe the story of Noah? Let's get that. We are to teach these people. Christianity hijacked our book, but they forgot that there's a reference point. Circumcision has been there before they came. And it's documented, the first man that ever. No one can deny that. Here we are arguing and killing each other and turning our heads. Chase all these things away from the land. The Sabbath is our day. Is everything you see in that book. Do it now. Do it. Do it. If you are going to church on Sunday, turn that Sunday to Sabbath. It's not difficult. People will understand. It's a time. Don't waste no time. Why you see pomposing on serving devil and you think, and everybody's telling you, say they make shakara. All the things you do, if it's not in the book, just cancel it. Cancel it. You're not serving God. There's no Christmas, they cancel it. There's no Easter, they cancel it. He gave you the festivals, the Feast of Unleavened Bread, the Feast of Tabernacle. He said, as it's done in heaven shall be done on earth. God is not doing Christmas. They didn't command it. These gods are commanding nonsense. The Romans are telling us what to do and we're following them. And causing havoc all over. Is the world going better? Is the world not supposed to be good when we, the believers, are in it? But we're doing it wrong. The Bible is not just meant to read and it's our book. And if we don't do it, we're going to go back and more until we be destroyed. It's written there. So all those stories telling, they are there as well. Orunmila is there. All this, all of them are there, but we are not to serve them. And we are not to accept any other religion. Islam, Christianity, anything that doesn't go on Sabbath, anything that doesn't worship the Most High the way He asks us to worship Him, and the festivals are the things that He asks us, command us. Now it's meant for us to find the research and find the days that he wants and he hears, so that we can reset the whole world, not just Yoruba land. We can reset the whole course of the world before the return of our captain, or our Shua, the one our fathers painfully and disgracefully shamed and even named a Shuodara, because his name is Oyawashua, Washua, that is these who come to reconcile us, Washua, Eshu, and because it does wonder, Yeshua, because it does wonders that they had it, Yeshua Odara, Yeshua Odara. That is Christ, giving him a name, the worst name ever, to a gentle, peaceful captain of the tribe of Judah, of the tribe of Isheshe. He's the one who's going to save us. Not, you see, all this military, if you believe in that, they will not do it properly. Let all the youth, they will not do it, because what is written must come to pass. Let them change and form bricks or whatever. The power is still in Rome, and it's going back to Rome. This is what must be. Now, you can't save yourself. If you want the Most High to save you, you run back to him. So when the bombs come falling, you are under his